Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 7th of January 2020 Shift 1 question number 25. An unbiased coin is thrown 5 times. Let x be a random variable and k be the value assigned to capital X. For k, 3, 4, 5 times head occurs consecutively and otherwise. The value of x is assigned -1. What is value of expectation? This is the problem in the house of probability. Now we draw a chart just like this. Here is the possible event, here is the event, and here is the probability. So an unbiased coin is thrown 5 times. X is be the random variable and k the value assigned to x. For k, 3, 4, 5 times head occurs consecutively. Okay. Now 3 consecutive heads. First time occur 3 consecutive head. Then secondly it happened 4 consecutive head. Rest of them we don't know. Third, 5 consecutive head. It events occur. And the final event is rest of the event. Final rest. So when 3 consecutive head happen, first case it happened 3 consecutive head. 3 consecutive head should be happen just like the way head, tail, and this was is anything. This was happen anything. Secondly, it happens tail, head, tail. Thirdly, it happened head, tail, and it's anything. It must be held either head or tail. So this case happened 1/16 ways. This case happened just like this case 1/16. This case happened 1/32, and this case happened also 1/16. So the total case is 1/16, 1/32, 1/16. Adding 1/16 plus 1/32 plus 1/16, and it is 5/32. So 3 consecutive happens if a coin is thrown and it is 3 consecutive heads happen, then the probability of 3 consecutive head is 5/32. Now the second case occur. Second case is just like head, and it is tail. Once again, first head, tail, then head, 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 and also head. So this becomes the probability. This is occur 1 by 32 times, and this is occur also 1 by 32. So that probability becomes 1 by 32 plus 1 by 32. It is 2 by 32. So occurring forehead probability becomes 2 by 32. Now the third case, it is happening 5 head. So it becomes 1 by 32s, and the rest of this is total number of probability, total number of thrown is 32, and adding these 3 it becomes 5, 7, 8, 8 by 32, 8 by 32. So it is 32 minus 8 is equal to 24 by 32. It is the rest number of option. So now the total cases happened just like this. K be the value assigned of x. K is equal to 3, 4, 5 times head occurs consecutively, and otherwise x is minus 1. So rest number of what is the expectation? So expectation becomes rest of 1 is equal to minus 1. It is shown that assigned minus 1 rest. So minus 1 multiplied with 24 by 32. It is 24 by 32. Then plus it 5 times it is 5 by 32. 5 into 32. 5 into 32. 1 by 32, sorry, 5 into 1 by 32 plus it is become 4 into 2 by 32, 4 into 2 by 32 plus it is becomes 3 into 5 by 32. It is becomes 3 into 5 by 32. So our total minus 24 by 32 plus 5 by 32 plus 8 by 32 plus 15 by 32. So 32 is the ACF, and it becomes 28 20 and 28 minus 24 is equal to 4 by 32. So expectation becomes 1 by 8, and we reached, this is our final answer, and it is our required answer. So this problem gives no options, only answer. So we reached. Any question, any queries about this problem, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all.